Meaning of incorrectly.
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 Incorrectly. The adverb incorrectly means that something is done or said in a way that is not accurate, correct, or in accordance with the expected or desired outcome. It implies that the action or statement was flawed, erroneous, or mistaken. When something is done incorrectly, it can lead to negative consequences or undesired results, such as errors, misunderstandings, misinterpretations, or even accidents. Therefore, it is important to be careful and precise when performing tasks or communicating information to ensure that they are done correctly and efficiently.